Here are a few summer entertaining hacks. Start with a tin. This one used to have cookies in it. We can discard the top. Now I'm going to grab some rope from Dollar Tree and hot glue it all the way around the tin. At the very top, I'm going to create two handles. Now I can use this outside at a barbecue to hold napkins. Just place a rock on top of it. It's going to be a great little container. Here's a simple way to hold silverware. Grab a wide mouth mason jar and a colorful towel or cloth napkin. Roll up the towel, place it inside the mason jar, and then put your silverware right inside. It adds a little bit of color and fun to your outdoor picnic. Let's make these small Dollar Tree bins look high-end. I'm going to use some metallic silver spray paint. I'm spraying each bin inside and out to give it that nice metallic look. These bins are the perfect size to hold plates, cups, and all kinds of things for your outdoor barbecue. Grab a garden flag holder, take that flag off, and slip on a roll of paper towel. This is a great way to have paper towel at everyone's fingertips, and it's really easy to use for your summer barbecue. Grab a sand bucket from Dollar Tree and hang this on a hanging basket rod. I like the ones that can clip right to the side of the table. And I'm going to use this to hold bug spray and sunscreen for any of my guests. I hope these tips and easy projects inspired you to use them for your next summer entertaining picnic.
Head on over to Dollar Tree and grab one of these oversized bins for these awesome grill hacks. Grab a fitted sheet and slide it right on over the top. Makes a wonderful tablecloth. Pour some water into a tall pitcher. You've now created a hand washing station. Simply squirt the soap into your hand, pull the spout, wash your hands, and then dry. Use a muffin tin for condiments. Place your ketchup, mustard, whatever you like inside the muffin dish and use this to serve them. Once you're done grilling that yummy, delicious food, clean your grill with an onion. Simply slice it in half and rub it back and forth. Grab an oversized tub from the dollar store, fill it with ice, and place a bunch of your drinks in it. This will help the drink stay nice and cold. Stop bugs from getting into your drinks by pouring the drink in the cup and then placing muffin liners over the top of the cups.
Grab mason jars from the Dollar Tree. Get started by taking the lid off a mason jar. Pick some flowers to use from a colorful bouquet or pick some wild flowers from outside. Then cut the stem off the flowers you want to use. Decide how you want to arrange the flowers in the jar. I try to make sure the flowers are facing outside toward the glass. Fill the jar with water and pour on a layer of olive oil. Add a fragrance floating candle to the top. Next, cut some slices of lemons and limes. Fill and arrange a mason jar with the lemons and the limes. Now fill this jar with water and pour on a layer of olive oil. Add a fragrance floating candle to the top. Light the candles. I love how both of these mason jars turned out. I hope this inspires you to create your own Dollar Tree mason jar lanterns.
Buy a tension rod at a big box store. Fit and adjust the tension rod at the top of an open doorway in your home. And then pick up some crepe paper. Cut multiple lengths of crepe paper in different colors. You can make these as long or as short as you like. Start to tie the crepe paper onto the tension rod by folding the paper in half, wrapping the middle loop around the rod, and then pulling the tails through the loop. Alternate the colors of the crepe paper as you tie them on. You can then add other party decorations depending on the theme of your party. Take some gift package bows and stick them randomly across the top of the decorated tension rod. What better way to welcome your friends and family and guests to your party when they walk in the door of your home? Head to the hair tie and barrette section at the dollar store and pick up an even number of acrylic multi-compartment organizers. Take two of the organizers and face them against each other with the shorter sides on the inside. Run a bead of hot glue along the inside, top, and bottom of one of the containers. Press the front of the other container to it so they are glued securely together. Then start to glue each of the sets to each other, creating one long multi-compartment organizer. Fill all the small compartments with some water. Then take a bunch of grocery store flowers and trim the blooms so they have a 3 to 4 inch stem. Start to arrange the blooms in the various compartments of the organizer, making sure to vary the shape, size, and color of the flowers you choose. This beautiful and easy floral centerpiece is sure to make any table surface truly beautiful for entertaining. Next time you're at the grocery store, pick up a 2-liter bottle of your favorite soda. Of course, enjoy drinking the soda, but save the plastic 2-liter bottle. After cleaning the empty bottle, remove the outer label and stand it beside a glass bottle. Determine how far up on the glass bottle you would like to decorate and mark that height on the plastic bottle. Cut off the top of the plastic bottle using the marking as your guide. Slip your glass bottle into the cut plastic bottle and pour water into the space between the two bottles. Take a fresh flower and cut off the stem so you're left with just the bloom. Slide this flower facing out into the water-filled crevice between the bottles. Use a chopstick to gently push the bloom down toward the bottom of the bottle. Continue to add blooms around the entire bottle. You can even use single petals and leaves to create the look you want. Place the bottle into the freezer and let it freeze. I left mine in the freezer for 4 hours. Take the bottle out of the freezer and run a bit of warm water over the outside of the bottle. Then you can easily peel away the plastic bottle and you're left with a stunning icy floral serving bottle. Your beverages will be served cold and your guests will be delighted with your unique serving piece. I hope this inspired you to use inexpensive and unexpected materials to greet, serve, and entertain your guests at your next party. Grab some inexpensive bandanas at the craft store. Choose a traditional red bandana pattern and also choose another pattern that coordinates with the traditional one. Iron your bandanas to eliminate any of those fold wrinkles. Then take a piece of heat and bond iron-on adhesive and cut it to fit the bandana. Place the heat and bond sheet on top of the bandana with the paper side up. Then take an iron, set it at medium heat, and iron the paper on top of the bandana. Once the paper has cooled, grab a corner of the paper and peel it off the bandana. You will be left with a shiny coat of adhesive on the bandana. Take your coordinating bandana and position it over the bonded bandana. Once you have the bandanas positioned, flip everything over and iron over the non-adhesive side of the first bandana. Set the bonded bandanas aside and grab a pair of old jeans that you don't want anymore. You can also pick up a pair at the thrift store. With a pair of sharp scissors, cut out the back pockets of the jeans. Simply cut around the perimeter of the pocket and then cut out the inside layer of the pocket. Heat and bond also comes in strips. So next, place heat and bond strips on the sides of the back side of the pocket. Use your iron to press the strips. Peel the paper off. Next, place the pocket on the center but the right side of the bonded bandana. Press the pocket with the medium heat iron until the pocket is bonded to the bandanas. Take your new reversible placemat and let's set the table. For a barbecue table with a patriotic vibe, start with a fun melamine plate in a patriotic color. Tuck a summer or patriotic themed napkin, paper works, into the jean pocket and then add your fork, knife, and spoon. Now you're ready for a summertime barbecue or 4th of July celebration. But wait! Flip the placemat over and set a completely different table. There's no pocket on this side, but silverware still looks beautiful beside beautifully stacked plates. Add your coffee cup and a patterned cloth napkin and get ready to invite the neighbors over. I hope this inspired you to make some reversible bandana placemats that can be used for patriotic holidays or any outdoor entertaining event this summer.